Hello everyone, welcome to the Nick Tech Show, and today we're actually going to do a pretty good first look at a product that I was sent to review, and a bigger product that's not really a whole lot of people know about. It's actually kind of a new product, but it's very similar to like the Echo Show and everything, and that is the Spark from Clazio. Hopefully I said that name correct. It is their hi-fi smart speaker with a full HD, actually it's a 4K or 2K display, and it's gonna have a camera. You're gonna have Google Assistant, or you can get Alexa on it. So you'll be able to ask it questions and everything, and then use some of the apps. Since it does have a built-in camera, you'll be able to use like Skype, Google Hangouts and all that, hopefully. This is actually ran off a almost full version of Android, so that is kind of nice, but also kind of odd. So I'm very curious to see how the smart home technologies work in it. It has hi-fi speakers, so the speakers are going to be loud, and it's going to be able to pick you up from a pretty far distance if you're going to ask it a question or so. Started with this unboxing. They kind of contacted me a while back and got this sent out, and this is actually the first time actually taking a look at it and seeing what it is actually. Like some of the questions I had to them were, so it's similar to like the Echo or the Echo Show, and it pretty is like that, just runs a different operating system. So we got the main product here. I'm going to set that to the side. You do have a remote, just like the Echo. You get a remote that you can use to navigate the device. You got your 2-liter stands, 2 metal stands. An instruction book that is actually categorized in cards for different regions. That's kind of neat. This is probably one of our first big products that we received to review this year so far. Your AC adapter, which they give you all the different kinds of ends that you can use. So this is pretty nice that they do that. So I guess where they don't have to make separate different models of the device or special additions to have certain UK adapters and all that. So that's pretty nice. This is just your standard cable. So that's that. But the main show you guys want to see is this guy. And here it is. So on the front you do have your 7-inch display, and on the back you got your these would be, I'm guessing, your volume buttons and your power button. And then you got like little hand things, or if you want to carry it around, if you're moving it or something, like this. And on the back you got an HDMI port. So you are able to actually plug this into a TV and display what's on the screen onto a TV, which is kind of neat. It'd be interesting to see if you can actually stream like Netflix or all that from this to a TV, if that's allowed on it. Don't really know. You got a micro SD card. I would assume that can handle at least up to 32 gig. And I'm curious to see if it actually allows you to use it within the tablet portion, like put apps on it or such. And then you got your USB port. I would assume that's a way to charge it also. And then your DC port for your power adapter. And as you can see down here, you do got your camera right here. So let's see if this has got some power on it. It does. It's gonna boot up. So far it looks like a really high quality product. The plastic is pretty nice. It doesn't feel like cheap plastic like some other products that you can get. I have noticed that they have made smart speakers in the past, but this seems to be their latest and greatest one. So I guess we'll find out. Here we are. So it was not turned on. So you got your lock screen like normal on Android. This is going to be the home screen that they have added. So you can access like Chrome, Google, their own apps. So I'm assuming that's how you get like upgrades for like some of the specialty apps that they have on it. They got your Google Photos, and view, of course, that I'm not online. Let's see if there's actually a video. So if you click the home, you get the normal home screen like you do on Android. And you swipe up, you get all the different apps that's installed. Let's see if there's any videos on it. There is. Let's play a video. Sorry, this video cannot be played. There might be some music, so we can test out the speakers. So this is gonna be, actually we do got a song. So I got the volume all the way up just so you guys can kind of hear what it sounds like. So it does look like we do have a demo audio. So far, the speaker quality does sound really good. This is actually the first time actually hearing it. It's got some good bass to it. And the sound quality is pretty decent. I'm actually impressed with that. So it's going to be interesting to test this out the next couple weeks to see what I can and cannot do. I have actually been kind of wanting to buy an Echo Show, but hopefully maybe this actually will not make me want to buy one. This might offer what I want to use the Echo Show for. But so far, I'm kind of impressed with just taking a quick look at it and listening to the speaker quality and everything. It does seem like a very high quality product. So if you're interested in picking this product up, I will leave a link down below where you can pick it up. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I will see you in the next one.